Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. Introducing the Sailrite Ultrafeed Industrial Sewing Table. Place your Ultrafeed sewing machine in this tabletop and you've got a solid sewing workstation just like any industrial sewing machine station, which makes it much easier to sew more accurately and helps increase production. This video will highlight some of the key benefits to adding this table to your Ultrafeed sewing machine. The Sailrite Ultrafeed sewing machines are the world's best portable walking foot sewing machines. To place your sewing machine in the industrial tabletop, simply remove it from its carrying case. Since this industrial sewing table does not include a motor, you can simply use the new worker bee motor or the standard Sailrite motor package already mounted on your sewing machine. Before we place the machine in the table, take a look at the underside of the tabletop, which is made in the USA. Notice both top and bottom sides of the top are laminated. This helps prevent warping. Now we'll place the head into the cutout of the tabletop. This tabletop comes with a threaded insert, so if you have the integrated thread stand on your carrying case, you can simply unscrew it and transfer that thread stand to your tabletop. Cables for the new worker bee or your standard motor package can come up through the hole and be attached to your motor package. That is all it takes to set up your Ultrafeed sewing machine in this industrial tabletop. The tabletop also comes with holes that are pre-drilled for tools. The slide plate opens and closes easily because the sewing machine sits a little proud of the tabletop. Tilt the machine back so you can work on the bottom side. It will rest hands-free. The oil pan allows you to reach your hand underneath the table to remove and replace bobbin cases. And the table includes a nifty drawer to store your supplies. The best feature of the industrial tabletop is the fact that it makes sewing much easier than a sewing machine that's just left in the carrying case. Why is that? Well, the flat working surface aids you in guiding your fabric accurately for more professional sewing results and usually at a faster rate of sewing. You may have noticed when watching Sailrite's free tutorial videos, when we use an Ultrafeed, it's usually set up in a tabletop. It's not because we want to sell more industrial tables, it's because it's easier for sewing. Here's an Ultrafeed in its carrying case, and we're sewing that exact same fabric assembly that we sewed in the tabletop. You'll notice we can be accurate, but we have to be a little bit more diligent because the fabric is not flat with the sewing machine's surface, and that makes it a little bit more cumbersome. I am not saying you have to have an industrial tabletop, but it does make the job a little bit easier, as you can see here in the video. Need to make the Ultrafeed portable again? Just remove it from the tabletop and reinsert it in your carrying case and you're ready for sewing. You can order the Sailrite Industrial Tabletop for your Ultrafeed sewing machine today at Sailrite. I'm Eric Grant, and from all of us here at Sailrite, thanks for watching.